3 days ago, I did a video called How to Really Professionally Design Your Wix website. Well, this is the second part of that video. And when I did that video 3 days ago, I didn't think that that will be a series and that will be episode 1. I didn't think, but now I just was experimenting weeks to see if it has some functions there that I didn't know there. And well, I found that a function when I already knew that we can do that I could do that, but now I really did it. I knew that I could do that, but I never did it, but I did it. I just did it. So then I got to think a little bit, why don't I do a video of that? But I'm not gonna make it into a separate thing. I'm just gonna build a series of design called How to Really Professionally Design Your Wix website. And well, please go see part 1. Please go see part 1. And well, let's start part 2. So this is the part that I want to show you on this example website here that I did. Okay, so hello, welcome to EggWebTut. Here you can learn how to build website. And you see this thing here is moving. This thing here, that computer thing, I'm gonna show you how to do that. That computer there is moving like that. I'm gonna show you how to do that in this part 2. And something that I'm gonna show you too is how to do this thing here. That there. You see, there are strips that they are not the same kind of strips that I showed you in the other video. So you see it moves a little bit, but it's not a video. It is not a video, but it still moves while you put the mouse. Then if you put the mouse down there, in any other part there, here, wherever, it's still, but you're not moving this like that, it just pauses the video. But it's not really a video, it's just an image. And for doing this type of design, you can do it with any image you want. But I prefer you to do it with a 3D image, like these types of design, of really good design image. Okay, so first I'm gonna show you how I did this computer here, like that, with that mouse there, and the computer is moving, and the mouse is not moving. So the first thing that we need to do is go right here to add and go down here to decorative. Then you're gonna click here more all vector art here. You're gonna go to vector art here. And you will go around here to vector art. And then you're gonna see right here for computer, right? For that thing there that I did, I used this laptop here. Okay, so I put the laptop there and I make it white. You can make it whatever you want, that doesn't matter. But this one, I did it white. And now we're gonna get the mouse. The mouse pointer, I mean. Yeah, that's the mouse pointer there. So, to do the same thing. Go right here to add decorative, vector art, featured, all vector art, and search for mouse pointer. And the one I used for that one was this one, right? But I made it gray like this. So, and I'm gonna put it a little bit more small. So it looks like this one, like that is small. And I'm gonna put this. Like that, right? So that it looks like the other one. Right, like that, so that it looks like the other one. And now I make it gray, just going here to design. And then this, just changing it. No, not that. That, put it black or whatever color you want usually. And then this gray. And then that mouse here, you can usually put it wherever you want on the computer. I'm gonna try to put it there. Like there, for example. Right? Then now this will go down, but we want it right here up. So we need to copy and paste the computer, just if that happens, right? And put it right here. No, usually don't copy and paste the computer. Copy and paste that mouse there. But that is just if that happens. And then you're gonna delete the other mouse. And then here we have that, right? But how do we usually do so that the computer just moves like that? Okay, so I'm just gonna put this like that. You need to click on the computer, right? Then click animation. And then just put any of those animations you want. The one I used for that one was gliding. Wait a second, I'm just gonna see. And then here the duration I put 4 and the delay I put 0. But you can put whichever of them you want. That is just up to you. Okay. So, I'm just gonna see how it looks before I do that. Oh no, that one wasn't the one that I used. The one that I used was one different, a little bit different. But you can use any of them you want. So the one that I used for that one was this one, Revel. And then the duration I put 4. And the delay I put 0. I only animate first time I didn't put that, but you can put whichever of them you want. You remember that. And the direction I put from left, but you can put any of them you want. And as we see, we did that. We did it. We did that there. We did that. And then I'm gonna show you how to add those strips here. So what I did for that is, okay, for this one that says there keep working, I just go here to add a strip and went down here to classic, right? Just got, like, for example, this one. That one there. And just put it like that. More like that. Like that I put it. And then this background here, I put it like that. Let me see if I put it like that, or yeah, I put it a little bit more different. I put it like this. As you see there, we have that. And then what I did for the text is just I added a text. Now how? Wait. No. I just added this text here. It's gonna duplicate the text, but I'm still gonna show you how I did it. I went right here to add text, and I just added this text there. And then the font that I put for this was Kestrial, and I put it bold. Right? And okay, I put it white too. I put the font size 63 and I put the alignment to the middle. Now what did I do to add this strip here? What I did to add this strip here is I went right here to add. I get a strip here, just any random strip there. Any random strip. And I just put in this size here, the strip, like that. And then what I did is just change the strip background to an image. It was that 3D image there. So I just gonna change, I just gonna search there for 3D, okay? And I put that one. That one was the one that I used. Now, here we have it, right? But this one, you see that when we touch it, it just goes like this down and it usually moves. Now, how do we do that to this one? I'm gonna put it a little bit more down here so that you don't get confused. And then I just put background scroll effect. And now let me see which one was the one that I used for this. One that I used for this was parallax. Okay, so I'm gonna go right here with parallax. And just added this text there. And as we see, both of them move. And now, how did I do this one? Okay, I just got a strip. I just got a strip, obviously. Got a strip. That strip there. I added this text there. Now, how did I do for this text to move like that? I just went right here, click, scroll effect added, and put the pan left one. And then we see we have them like that. And now this menu here, I designed it. Now how did I design it? I just put the fill color and opacity black. I mean the drop down black. I put the drop down corners, I just put 0. The shadow I didn't enable it. The text I put Castrial and 22. Now the spacing, I didn't put any spacing. Hover, I put the color, that color, gray. And then click, I put that color, gray. And then here you see we have it. And now this text, what did I do? I just put this here yellow and that white there. And for these things here, I just added to an anchor. But the anchor, I'm not gonna show you how to add it because I already showed you in the part 1. So go see part 1 for seeing how to add an anchor. And now this thing here, this line, I got it from the vector art. And I linked it to the anchor called keep working. So that it directs it to that anchor there. If you go down, you have the other anchors. And well, I think this was all the video.